Let's replace the cabin air filter on a 2014 Toyota Hilux. Start by emptying out the glove compartment. Look for the small knob on the right-hand side. Twist and remove. There's a dampener arm on the right. Gently release that to allow the glove box to drop down completely. You'll see the cabin air filter housing directly behind it. Unclip the cover. In our case, this vehicle didn't have a filter installed. You can see just how dirty it's gotten inside. Definitely due for a cleaning. If you're replacing the filter in your Hilux, simply slide in the new one. Once it's in place, snap the cover back on. Lift the glove box back into position. Reattach the dampener. Twist the knob back. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car tips.